have a sheet of paper and a pencil. If you need to stop this video at any time, go ahead and pause it and replay it when you're ready to keep going. So the first thing we're going to do is do our sounds, and we're going to start with our R controlled sounds. Or, R, Here's our long vowel sounds, our CVE, A, E, I, O, U. Two sounds, U, W, Qu, W, all, sh, k, ear. Now we're getting into vowel pairs. A, I, E, U, ah, oi, oi, a, e, o, ew, a. So now we're into our single vowels. A, y, I, e. Back to a vowel pair. Ow, ow, or o. And this is our consonant that has two sounds, k and the soft s. G and j, ch, ch, and j. And these last ones are the ones we're going to focus more on with our lesson today. Okay, so as we review our sounds, now we're going to spell some sounds. So here's where you need your pencil and your sheet of paper. Your first sound to spell is spell ow 2 ways. So you can pause the video while you write and then press play when you're ready to begin again. Next, ah, spell ah. And the last sound to spell is oo. Okay. And if you need those repeated, you can pause the video and rewind. Remember, since it's a video, you can go back and forth. Okay, now we're going to read some words, and here's where you're going to look at the screen. So these words are actually in your packet, and it's page 54. They're nonsense words. They're 2-syllable words with open, closed vowel pairs, R-controlled vowels, and CVE syllables. So I will say them, and then you can pause the video, and then you can practice them on your own. So the first word is chiglet, Gruplane, Meprod, Rashfen, Gridnen, Shimphebe, Zarstoy, Sudsail, Gartame, Spootib, Widless, Chimsten, and Ventrod. So before you read them on your own, think of how you would separate them, finding those vowels. So chiglet would be divided right there. This was Gruplane because I need the PL to stay together. So I would divide right there. So this is an open syllable. This is Meprod because I need to keep my P. I'm going to move this over. I need to keep my P and my R together, prod. So when you're doing nonsense words, that's what you're really looking for, is where do I have my consonants that need to stay together? Where do I have vowels that need to stay together? And then determine if they're open or closed. Okay, so go ahead, pause the video and read those words on page 54. And then we're going to read words on page 53. These are real words with vowel pairs. Some of them are 1 syllables and some of them are 2. So here we go. Mellow, sleeper, slave, clown, jointed, lowering, dilate, haven, porter, tower, mobster, and moist. So now you go back and read those words and see if you can figure out which ones are those 2-syllable words, like mellow is a 2-syllable word. So a closed syllable and a vowel pair. Sleeper. So that has a vowel pair and a suffix at the end. So really analyzing and looking at our syllable types will help you read those words. All right, now we are going to spell words. Your first word to spell is basin. 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 Bay. B-A. Sin. S-I-N. And then pause the video. The next word is neckline. Neckline. N-E-K. Line. L-I-N. And pause the video. The next word is scoop. Scoop. S-C-O-O-P. It's a 1-syllable word. Pause the video. 2 more. The next word is forsake. Forsake. Or sake. Forsake. And pause the video. And your last word will be diver. Diver. D-I-V-E-R. Diver. Good. Okay, hopefully you can pause those video after I say the words so you're able to spell them. And the new material that we're going to go over is really a review of Sandesh 1 sounds. So we're really going to just really make sure that we have these secure in Sandesh 2. So the first sound is a sound that we actually did together on Zoom, and that's going to be our TCH. It sounds like ch, and it's spelled like TCH when it comes after a short vowel. So I wrote some examples, like this is a short vowel I, so it would say itch. Short vowel A, atch. Short U, utch. Short O, otch. Short E, etch. So you can think of words that would come or consonants that would come before it, like b, atch, batch. So if I put a B here, it could be batch. Or if I put a C here, it'd be catch. If I put, let's see, a B in front of ah, it should be botch. That'd be a mistake. Or let's see, kind of stuck on B's. B in front of should be butch. Okay, so short vowels before you use a TCH. The other one, how we spell ch, is with the CH. So ch is spelled with the CH after long vowels, vowel pairs, consonants, or R controlled vowels. So I wrote down some examples, like if an N came before the CH, it'd be nch. And if I put a vowel, it'd be ench. Or if I had an R controlled vowel before it, it would be arch. Or another vowel pair before ch would be like each. So that's when you have, if you have those particular vowels or a consonant, then you're spelling with the CH. Okay, so we're going to practice reading some of words with the TCH and the CH, and we can read on page 55. And again, you have this in your packet. So the first word, catch, notice the TCH and the A, and then we have leech, and it's spelled with CH, and there's my vowel pair, EE. Itch, TCH, because that's a short vowel. And then scorch, CH, because that's an R controlled vowel. Okay, so you're going to notice that this side has the TCHs and this side has the CH. So this is hatch, clench, crutch, bunch, switch, arch, latch, march, hutch, and punch. Good. You can pause the video and then you can practice reading those words. All right, now we are going to spell a couple of those words with TCH and CH. So you can pause the video after I give you a word, and once you finish writing it, just press play and then you'll hear the next word. So the first word to spell is match. Match. Atch. I hear ah. So think of what the rule was if that's a short vowel. The next word is snatch. 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 The next word is crutch. 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 All right, your next word is going to be bench. Bench. B-e-n-ch. Here I heard an n before a ch. The next one is starch. 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 Here I heard R before the ch. Your next word is punch. Punch. P-a-n-ch. Here I heard a n before my ch. Good. Okay, remember to pause the video. I'm going to keep reminding you of that. Okay, the next sound that we're going to practice is going to be our soft C. So the C says s as in ice when it's followed by an E, I, or a Y. Then it will make its soft sound. So an example is like ice. Notice the E comes as after the C. City. Notice the I coming after the C. And cycle. Here's an example of Y coming after the C. So we're going to read some words with our soft C, also on page 55. So look at all of those vowels that come after the C, because that is our indicator that it's saying the soft C sound and not the K sound. So here we go. Ice, ace, dance, mince, rice, face, prance, prince, dice, race, stance, since, lice, lace, cider, force, mice, space, center, choice, voice, vice, and glance. Okay, you can pause the video and you can practice those again on your own. All right, now we are going to spell some soft C words. Okay, your first soft C word to spell is rice. Rice. I-s. I also notice I have a long I sound, so I need some letter to make that long. Let's think about that. Rice. Your next word is trace. Trace. T-r-a-c. Ooh, I hear a long A again. T-r-a-c. And your last one to spell is face. Face. A-s. I hear a long A sound there again. So these are good practice with our long vowel sound. And just think about what comes after that C to make it say S. Kind of like an ice, right? Right, good, nice job. All right, so those were our sounds that we are going to review for level